Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making homemade Nutter Butter cookies. This comes from my BraveTart cookbook. I really like this cookbook. It has so many amazing recipes and it also teaches you how to make desserts that you would normally find in a grocery store. The ingredients you'll need to make the dough are 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter at room temperature, 1/3 cup of creamy peanut butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, and 2 egg whites. For the filling, you are going to need another 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter at room temperature, 1 tablespoon of honey, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of sifted powdered sugar, a pinch of salt, and another 1/3 cup of creamy peanut butter. First step is to make the dough for the cookies. So we are going to mix our peanut butter, and I prefer Justin's peanut butter because it's really natural and it has no added sugar, which is perfect for these cookies. Next, we're going to add our unsalted butter at room temperature. Next, our sugar, our 1/4 a teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Now we're going to cream it on low speed until it combines. Now we're going to cream it on medium for 5 minutes until it turns light and fluffy. Now we are going to beat our 2 egg whites with a fork until it turns a little bit foamy. Now that our egg whites are nice and foamy, we are going to turn our mixer on low and we are going to mix them in 4 additions. Now we are going to sprinkle our flour in on low to form a dough. Now we are going to flour our surface, and then we are going to dump out our dough. We are going to knead it until it forms a ball. Preheat our oven to 350. Now we are going to roll our dough. So first we are going to put a little bit of flour on our rolling pin. So we are going to roll it until it's a 1/2 inch thick, and then we're going to flip it and then roll it till it's an 1/8 of an inch thick. So now we're gonna cut them. You can cut them into peanut shapes. I'm just gonna use a small circle cookie cutter. You can really cut them into any shape, but this is just easier. And you just put them on a baking sheet. And this is non-stick, but if yours is not non-stick, then you should use parchment paper. Once you've cut all your cookies, you can re-roll all the scraps. If you want, you could take a fork and just press it in to the cookie to make these lines. Now we're going to put these into the oven for 15 minutes. Now it's time to make the filling. So we are going to combine our other 1/3 cup of peanut butter. We're going to put our honey in. We're going to put our other 6 tablespoons of butter and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now cream it until combined. We're going to add a pinch of salt, and we're going to slowly add our powdered sugar. Now we're going to scrape down the sides, and we are going to cream it for 5 minutes. Now we are going to add our filling into a piping bag. And if you don't have a piping bag, you could just use a Ziploc bag. Now we are just going to pipe a little dollop onto each cookie. Now we are just going to press another cookie on top so it looks like a sandwich. The Nutter Butters are finally done and they look really, really good and I can't wait to try it. It's super good and the filling is really creamy and peanut buttery. Thank you guys so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and comment what you want me to make next. Stay safe. Bye. Are you filming?
Yeah.
Okay, wait, I'm not ready. No way. Thank you guys so much for watching. What am I supposed to say? Wait, no, I was eating. Hi, Murphy. Today I will be making, what's it called?
Cookies.